Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making this delicious easy meal. This is my grounded beef easy recipe. Of course, it's packed with flavors. If you guys are ready, let's get started. So to get started with this recipe, of course, you're going to need some grounded beef. As you guys can see over here, I'm cooking at medium high. And we are going to go ahead and just cook our meat until it looks fully cooked. So over here, guys, the meat looks like it's fully cooked, and as you guys can see, it returned a lot of oil. So we are going to go ahead and rinse it off and then add clean oil. And as you guys can see over here, so after stir frying for about a minute, I went ahead and added some fresh garlic. So we are going to continue mixing. And after that, we are going to go ahead and add in our yellow onions and continue mixing again. So over here, you want to continue mixing and stir frying for about a minute. And then we are going to move on to seasoning our meat with paprika, salt-free garlic and herb, cumin powder, onion powder, some garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, creole seasoning, and continue stir frying. So after adding in all our seasoning, we are going to make sure that everything is blended well. And over here, guys, I'm just adding in some ginger. This is my fresh ginger. And then I'm going to continue adding in some tomatoes as well. And as I continue mixing everything, we are going to go ahead and add in our yellow pepper and orange pepper. So everything that I'm using in this video, guys, is going to be in the description below. So over here, guys, we continue mixing everything. And then the next ingredient I'm adding is some cornstarch to help thicken everything and bring everything together. So the next seasoning that I'm using is hoisin sauce. And I also use some bourbon chicken marinade and also some soy sauce. And I continued mixing everything. So after mixing everything so well, we went ahead and added some water and brought everything to a boil for about 3 to 5 minutes. And now I'm adding in some diced scallion onions just for color. You don't necessarily need them, but I just added them for color. So I let everything boil for a little bit, guys. And after that, guys, we have reached the end. This is how this meal looks like. You are going to like it when you eat it with the rice, because this is basically what I ate with. And I think you can also eat it with pasta if you really want to, add that to the mix. So you can eat it with rice or pasta. So over here, guys, I'm just showing you what I ate it with, which was rice. And I added in everything on my plate, as you guys can see over here. So I just want to say thank you for watching this channel, for subscribing. And I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you next time when I cook. Bye.